Ilan Pangasinan!
Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang ating island hopping. So, tara! Nandito tayo sa Poblacion Seaside and we're going to ride a boat to go to Sabangan Beach Campsite. Kailangan natin mag-life vest para palaging safe. And on our way, makakalapit ang Sabangan Beach Campsite, Mangrove Farm, and Nayom River. From Poblacion, nandito na tayo sa Sabangan Beach Campsite. Tara, check natin what's here.
Kilala po ang Sabangan bilang tourist spot. Ang ino-offer po ng Sabangan activities po ma'am is ATV, rides, swimming. Pwede naman po silang mag-camping dito, overnight, picnic.
Dito sa amin, kasi dito sa baryo na yun, sa Sabangan, malinis, fresh yung hangin dito. Pwede kami manlambat-lambat, yan. Halos po, linggo-linggo dito kami.
Welcome to a thrill seeker's paradise where the sun, sand, and adrenaline all come together for an adventure of a lifetime. But what makes this island special? It's the roar of the ATV. This is my first time driving a ATV. Usually, the ones I drive are yung mga bump car lang or yung mga maliliit na ATV. So, a legit one right here. Come on, let's try! Ay! Stop na! Well, it's so exciting, especially the fact that it's along the beach tapos naka-ATV ka pa. So, really, it's a good experience to have. You have to try here. Punta din kayo dito. Sobrang enjoy! Pagkatapos mag-ATV rides, you can also visit one of their famous mangrove forests dito sa Infanta, Pangasinan, where you could explore the wonders of the mangrove. Walk, wade, and listen to the sounds of nature beneath the mangrove canopy. At Mangrove Forest, you can uncover its unique beauty. Come on over and let's embark on this adventure. This mangrove forest is 8 hectares na binubuo ng more than 20,000 mangrove trees. If you're in search of an unforgettable mangrove experience, Mangrove Forest in Infanta, Pangasinan is the perfect destination for you. Ang Nayom River ay may habang 15 kilometers. Pumapagitna ito sa bayan ng Infanta, Pangasinan at Santa Cruz, Zambales. Super interesting na ganito kalapit yung boundary and it's just a river. Wow! Asahan na sa mga susunod na taon, ang Nayom River na ito ay makakaroon ng river cruise at floating cottages na kung saan pwede mag-picnic at salo-salo ang mga bibisita.